in the ground control station, including weapons employment. The strategy is to evolve and sustain the MQ-9 Reaper as it transitions from primarily a counterterrorism surveillance and strike platform into a great power warfare asset. While less stealthy and therefore potentially less survivable against advanced major power air defenses, the Reaper drone still has tremendous utility and tactical value in a potential large-scale war. With this in mind, the Air Force has for many years now been evolving the Reaper to upgrade its technical systems and expand its mission scope to transition the drone into the great power warfare era. The efforts have been going on for several years as they include the addition of a universal weapons interface on the drone to add new weapons to its arsenal and increase its ability to transition between multiple types of bombs. The Air Force has also added new weapons to the drone, fuel tank extension, and incorporated air-to-air weapons to the Reaper as part of an effort to expand the scope of its potential missions. Most recently, the Air Force is retrofitting the Reaper with hardening technologies intended to stop enemy jamming attempts and improve resiliency and survivability. Other Reaper enhancements include electro-optical infrared sensor upgrades, as well as an additional weapons integration. The MQ-9 program office is already completing initial fleet retrofits that will mitigate potential jamming to the platform. This is the first retrofit of many, as MQ-9 multi-domain operations configured aircraft will receive additional closely held capabilities that will enable command and control mission assurance and resiliency while the aircraft is airborne, according to an Air Force report. The Air Force has been adjusting and migrating the Reaper for a number of years now through a range of significant efforts to include the addition of the AIM-9X air-to-air missile, the AIM-9X, which also fires from F-35 Lightning II and F-22 Raptor, can use advanced guidance technology